morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Flying Together. Yesterday we have already discussed the last paragraph. In the last paragraph, the wise old bird advised the other geese, but the other geese did not listen to him and did not cut the creeper. Now listen the next paragraph. We'll see, answered the birds, but they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. The other geese did not listen the wise old bird and did not destroy the creeper. जो वेल है उसको उन्होंने खत्म नहीं किया, तोड़ा नहीं. And they forgot the wise old bird's advice. Every day the creeper grew bigger and bigger. जैसे ये पिक्चर में बताया गया ना कि हर दिन जो वेल है वो बड़ी होती गई है. It will become thick and strong like rope. रोप होता है रस्सी, रस्सी की तरह ये मोटी और स्ट्रांग हो गई है जैसे ये पिक्चर में दिया हुआ है. और ये एक वे बन गई है, रास्ता बन गई है ट्री के ऊपर चढ़ने का. One morning when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. One day क्या होता है? A hunter came to the forest when the geese were not on the tree. So this is where the wild geese live. He said to himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. The hunter thought that the geese were lived on the tree. In the evening, when the geese came back, I shall catch them. हंटर क्या सोच रहा है कि जब गीज वापस आएंगे मैं उनको पकड़ लूंगा. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of that creeper. इसी क्रीपर की हेल्प से जैसे पिक्चर में शो किया है, हंटर किसके ऊपर चढ़ गया? ट्री के ऊपर. एंड स्प्रेड हिज नेट ऑन इट्स ब्रांचेस. एंड देन ही क्लाइम्ड डाउन with the help of that creeper and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out but could not. In the evening, when the geese returned, शाम को क्या हो गया? जब गीज वापस आते हैं, they caught in the hunter's net. They trapped means जो नेट है उसमें फंस जाते हैं. and struggle means संघर्ष करते हैं, फाइट करते हैं. किस चीज की? नेट से बाहर निकलने की, पर वो निकलते नहीं है. help cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? All the geese cried for help. सारे चिल्लाना शुरू हो गए. किसके लिए? हेल्प के लिए. Because they were caught in the hunter's net. Now we shall do. कि हम क्या करें। किसको कह रहे हैं वो? वाइस ओल्ड बर्ड को। ओके, थैंक यू, सी यू टुमारो बेटा।